Good morning, my name is Zach with Stevens Construction. I'm a superintendent out here on Captiva Island. This morning, we're driving piles for our new Captiva Island Inn project. It'll be 10 new cottages next year, September 2026. One of the challenges building here in Southwest Florida is the marine environment, especially on these barrier islands. We have shifting soils and erosion and tropical storms. So we want to build structures that last. Part of the reason that piles are driven in these structures is to give them a better foundation. You can think of piles like an anchor. So they're driven 10 to 20 feet in the ground to get access to those more stable soils. And then those piles will then be tied into the foundation of the building at ground level and will protect and prevent against uplift. After this week, we'll finish driving piles, and then we actually have the concrete crews coming in to cut and pour the grade beams and footings themselves.